Hello, my dear little children. A very happy, fresh morning to all of you. I welcome you all to the virtual classes. So, how are you, my dear little children? I hope this video finds you in the best of your health and spirits. As you know, this is your maths class, and I am your maths teacher, Sonia Gupta. In this class, today we will learn the table of 5. So, children, here shade the fifth number. Okay, you have to shade the fifth number. As we have done same in the table of 4. Yes, children, in the table of 4 we have done shaded the fourth number, but now here we will shade every fifth number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so fifth number, which is fifth number? Yes, 5 is the fifth number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so we will shade it. Okay, if you don't want to shade, then please you may encircle this number. Okay, now first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, now shade this number. So first number is 5, obvious, because we are learning table of 5, and second number 10th. Now third number will be first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now 15th is third number. Now please, okay, shade beautifully. Don't use dark crayons. Okay, use light crayons. I am doing it with pencil, but you may use crayons. Now other fifth number is, yes, fourth fifth number is 20. Okay, now sixth fifth number is 25. You may count first, second. Okay, here this is fourth fifth number. 1, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So 25 is the next one fifth number. Now 30. 30 is the next fifth number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now 35. Okay. Now 40. It is very simple to learn. It is very easy to learn table of 5. Okay. Now first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now 45. Yes. Now 50. Okay. Now which numbers we have shaded? Please speak them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. Now, yes children, now we will write the answers of repeated addition to learn the table of 5. Okay. So please, this concept is very easy and it's very easy to understand. 5, 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, so write here 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Here we are adding 5 number 3 times. So 3 times 5 is 15. Yes, please children, repeat after me like this. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. Now here next 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay. Now 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. Okay. So children, you can see here, देखो ये सिंगल डिजिट 5 देन 0. आप देख रहे हो इसकी वंस की प्लेस पे 0, ये 5 वंस है, यहाँ वंस की प्लेस पे 0, देन 5 देन 0, देन 5 देन 0, देन 5 देन 0, देन 5 देन 0. Okay. So children, it is very easy to learn the table of 5 and the children enjoy the most during learning the table of 5. बच्चों को बहुत मज़ा आता है टेबल 5 की टेबल लर्न करने में. सो चिल्ड्रन, आर यू एंजॉइंग? ओके. सो नाउ लेट्स राइट विद मी. इन द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन राइट टेबल ऑफ 5. नाउ राइट हेयर लाइक दिस. आपको मेरे साथ साथ ही लिखना है और मेरे साथ साथ ही बोलना है. ओके. सो 5 वंस आर, इस तरह से लिखना है. 5 वंस आर 5. 5 twos are 10. Okay. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. Okay. Now please repeat after me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Now 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. Now 5 tens are, yes, everybody knows 5 tens are 50. Okay. So children, please repeat after me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay. तो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ द टेबल ऑफ 5. आप इसे जितना बोलेंगे उतनी ही आपकी प्रैक्टिस होगी. ठीक है. तो इसको बच्चे बहुत जल्दी लर्न कर लेते हैं. आप भी इसको बहुत जल्दी लर्न कर लेंगे. ठीक है. तो इसको जितना बोलेंगे उतना आपको बहुत जल्दी लर्न होगा. बट टुडे आई हैव अ वर्कशीट फॉर यू. ओके. सो लेट्स डू इट विद मी. चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू डू दिस वर्कशीट इन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक ऑल्सो. ठीक है. आप ये मत सोचना ये खाली यहीं ओरल करने के लिए है. यस, दिस वर्कशीट इज टू बी डन इन मैथ्स नोटबुक. ओके. सो व्हाट्स द क्वेश्चन? जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन. fill in the boxes with the help of multiplication tables. मल्टीप्लिकेशंस की टेबल की हेल्प से हमें ये बॉक्सेस फिल करने हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट 4 टाइम्स 2. ठीक है, 4 टाइम्स 2, या हम इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं 2 टाइम्स 4, या तो आप इसे ऐसे बोल लीजिए. मैंने आपको बताया भी था मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी. यस, या आप इसको 4 टाइम्स 2 बोलिए या 2 टाइम्स 4 बोलिए. अच्छा, यू मे स्पीक लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, 4 मल्टीप्लाई 2, 2 मल्टीप्लाई 4. ओके, 4 इंटू 2, 2 इंटू 4. ठीक है, तो हम इसे ऐसे बोल सकते हैं 4 2s आर 4 2s आर 8. तो चिल्ड्रन, हमें 4 की टेबल इस तरह से लर्न करनी है कि हमें 4 की टेबल को स्टार्टिंग से ना बोलना पड़े. यदि हमारा आया 4 4s आर, तो हमें सडनली फटाफट से हमें इमीडिएटली क्या आंसर लिखना है 16. ठीक है, तो हमें इस तरह से टेबल्स को लर्न करना है. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. 5 3s आर. सो व्हाट इज़ द प्रोडक्ट? देखो चिल्ड्रन, द आंसर आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग द नंबर्स वी गेट. द आंसर वी गेट आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग द नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो हमें आंसर मिलता है, उस आंसर को हम क्या कहते हैं? ना हम उसे सम बोलेंगे, ना डिफरेंस बोलेंगे, हम उसे बोलेंगे प्रोडक्ट. क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोडक्ट. ओके, 5 3s आर. यस चिल्ड्रन, अभी हमने पढ़ा था ना, 5 3s आर 15. तो राइट हेयर 15. ओके, 2 5s आर 10. ओके, 3 4s आर. यदि आपने इस तरह से बोलना है 3 4s आर, तो आप ऐसे बोलिए, तो भी हमारा सेम आंसर होगा. लेकिन यदि हमने बोला 4 3s आर, तो भी हमारा सेम आंसर होगा. ठीक है, सो राइट द आंसर है 12. 4 4s आर. यस चिल्ड्रन, 4 4s आर 16. ओके, सो 2 5s आर 10. 3 4s आर 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are. So children, what is 5 5s are? 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. 2 times 6 is 2 times 6 is. Yes children, you are correct. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 6s are 12. Okay. Okay, now let's see here in the next line. 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18. 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18. It means 3 6s are 18. या फिर 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 8 is 4 times 8 is 32. Okay. Now 5 times 10, it means 5 10s are. Yes, it is very simple. 5 10s are 50. देखो 1 10s are 10, 2 10s are 20, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40. Now 5 10s are 50. Now 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Now 5 7s are, yes children, 5 7s are 35. Okay. 4 5s are, या तो हम इसे बोलेंगे 4 5s are या 5 4s are. 4 times 5, 5 times 4, इस तरह से हम कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है. So what's the answer? Yes, 4 times 5 is 20. Now last one is 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay. And this way, do this work in your maths notebook. Okay. do this work in your maths notebook, and your work must be neat and clean. Now children, let's revise the table of 5 again. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Yes children, this table of 5 is in your maths book on page number 85. So please turn on page number 85. Okay, here we have done the table of 1, 2 and 3. But today now we are revising table of 4 and 5. So now table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Now let's revise the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Okay, now 4 tens are 40. Okay, it is on the same page in your maths book, page number 85. So please do them. Children, now let's do an example. Okay, so just listen to me very carefully. The example is, here you can see 2 girls and each girl has 3 bananas. You can see in the picture, each girl has 3 bananas. Okay, this is Sona and she is Mona. Okay, she is Sona and she is Mona. Okay, Sona and Mona both have 3 bananas. Okay, you can see in the picture. How many bananas are there all together? तो वहाँ total कितने bananas है? Can you tell me? Yes children, here we will do multiply. 2 girls, so 2 girls, we can write here 2 girls multiply 3 bananas. Okay, in this way we can get the answer. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 2 threes are 6. Okay, in this way we can solve the questions. Okay children, we will do some more questions like this in the next class. So please learn and revise the table. Do your work neatly and carefully in your maths notebook. So children, bye bye, have a nice day.